Hey guys, it's Sophia with Seminole Sitters, and today I'm going to show you how to make dream catchers with a lot of supplies that you probably already have around your house. For this craft, you are going to need an empty toilet paper roll, some tape, a glue stick, a piece of string or yarn, 6 cutouts of paper strips, a cutout of a cloud or a star, and either some markers or some paint. The first step for creating this craft is to either color with marker or paint your toilet paper roll completely so you can no longer see the brown. Here I have painted my toilet paper roll blue. Since we're doing dream catchers, I figured to pick out a color that reminded me of night. The next step of this craft is to draw a cloud like I have drawn here. I give it 2 eyes and a smiley face to make it look like it was sleeping. Next, you want to cut out your cloud so it looks something like this. After you have cut out your cloud, you want to turn a blank piece of paper and cut out 6 strips that should look like this. They should be long and kind of skinny. After you have cut those out, you then want to color them in, each one a different color, or if you want to do all the same, that's fine too. But you want to color in to make sure that there is no white left. Once you have all the parts of your craft ready to put together, we are going to start to attach the colored strips onto the inside of the toilet paper roll. The way we're going to do this is we're going to take one of our colored strips and we are going to take glue and glue just the top part of the colored side. As you can see, I have my glue here on the top. I'm going to take it and put it on the inside of my toilet paper roll that I have right here. Once you get all of your strips attached on the inside, it should look something like this. Next, we are going to take our cloud cutouts that we had made earlier and we are going to glue those on to whichever side you want the front to be. It should look something like this. Then we are going to take our string and 2 pieces of tape. We are then going to tape onto both sides a piece of the string. Make sure it's the very ends that you are taping onto either side. Then the final product should look like this. You can hang it above your bed or in your room as a dream catcher to help catch all the bad dreams. Thanks for crafting along with me.